There's an old saying that a person with their health has 1,000 dreams. A person without it has got just one dream, which is to get it back. In the face of pain or serious illness, recovering health can become the most important goal, if not the only goal. But the truth is that every bite you take could be leading you toward either more suffering or more vitality. And if you know that food matters and you want the latest scientifically grounded insights, if you want to make wise choices for yourself and for the people you love most, then please join in the 2025 Food Revolution Summit Docuseries, Healthy People, Healthy Planet. Over the course of 8 riveting episodes, we're going to cover longevity, your brain, your gut, your heart, cancer, fitness, nutrition, and our world. Find out about this year's biggest breakthroughs in food and health. What you learn could make the difference between whether you wind up in a nursing home waiting for death or climbing mountains. Every bite counts. Join the revolution. Please join us.